Welcome to the video for the cmic3 Unit 6 circle test, the practice test. Question 6 says use the diagram to answer the following. So first of all, if measure of arc AB equals 70 degrees, and measure of arc EF equals 30 degrees, then measure of angle AHB equals what? AHB is kind of a difficult thing to deal with because it's not a central angle. The center is here, the vertex is here, and it's not on the circle, so it's not an inscribed angle. So I have to relate it to some other things. And as we talked about on the Socrative lesson, I've got a straight line here, I've got a straight line here. All of a sudden I have intersecting lines, which forces me to go back to what we did last semester. I know these two angles are congruent or equal because they are vertical angles. They meet only at the vertex. But that's not going to do me a lot of good. What I really need to do is look at this angle over here, because that's part of this triangle, and I can see that I can get this angle of that triangle because it's an inscribed angle. This angle of the triangle is an inscribed angle as well, so I can actually get these two angles. I can find this angle, and angle AHG then forms a linear pair with angle AHE. So that's my strategy. Find angle EAF. So I will do that. Measure of angle EAF is 1/2 of 30 degrees, which is 15 degrees. So this one is 15 degrees. Measure of angle AEB is 1/2 of 70 degrees. Which is 35. And I don't have a lot of room here. I can put that in though. Angle AHE is the third angle of a triangle. And there are 180 degrees in a triangle. We showed that when we talked about parallel lines. So I know that these angles have to add up to 180 when they're combined with angle AHE. So I can subtract them from 180. Equals 130 degrees. So I've got angle AHE. And we also talked about linear pairs. Angle AHE and angle AHB form a linear pair. Linear pairs add up to 180 because they form a straight line. So measure of angle AHB equals 180 degrees minus 30 degrees, which equals 50 degrees.